Good morning. I look a little bit like Nosferatu right now. Very pale, got really dark circles around thine eyes. Last night was my first ever night in the new house, being alone, and I thought I was gonna be way more anxious than I was, but it turns out I was okay. I formed like this nest out of all my blankets. Ooh, we're gonna have to do a dog tour. I got the dog I was telling you about in the last one. I'll have to show you him. Me, Chetty, and the dog all sleeping in here. Come on. Come on, little friend. My house is still like a little bit a mess. Come here. This is Doug. Douglas. He doesn't come to his name. His old name was Sydney, but he doesn't come to that either, so I figure I can name him whatever I want. Doug, come here. He kind of just comes sometimes, and then other times he doesn't come. Come here. So here he is. He's not as rotund as I originally thought. When I told you guys last week about him, I was like, oh, he's a very chubby dog. Because in my mind, he was like very barrel-esque. Like, me and my mom both thought he was way fatter than he was, than he is. Like, he's pretty chubby. Look at this chubby boy. He's a little bit chubby, but he's not like just this mass that I thought he was. Anyways, I got him yesterday. We became pretty close friends already. He's a pretty easygoing guy. Like, just ow. He just kicked me a little bit. Doing some activities. But anyways, I'm gonna get dressed and I will walk this dog. And then I'll do an exercise and I guess we'll just go along our day. Do some things. Hi, Doug. The house is still in just like absolute chaos. I don't have any food in here, so I need to get that set up today. Set up the kitchen for success. Isn't that right, boy? You're the only one that has food here. You and Chetty. Chetty was not happy about the car ride over here. Just imagine a cat screaming for an hour. Yeah, he was not very happy at all. Here he comes. Chetty! The cat and the dog get along pretty good. The dog's kind of afraid of him because Chetty's a bad bitch. But so far everything is pretty copacetic. Everything's going good. No complaints. Okay, let's walk Douglas throughout the neighborhood and let the neighbors know what they're dealing with. I'm gonna be looking like a Hot Mess Express all the time. But I will carry poop bags because I'm considerate. Come on. Sit. No. Wait. Hold on. Oh my God. There we go. He's so excited. He doesn't really walk that well on a leash yet. And he chokes himself a little bit. Hold on, wait for me. Oh my God, look at what I have going on here. Let me put this bag in my pocket in case you poop. Okay, hold on, friend. Oh my God, this is a Hot Mess Express. Okay, I'm gonna try to teach you a little bit of etiquette. Doug, sit. Oh my God, he's choking already. He's not even moving. Wait. Okay, come. Doug, wait. Sit. Doug, sit. Sit, Doug. He doesn't listen. I couldn't really film our walk that well because he was just pulling so much. He's very strong. I'm gonna have to invest in a harness for him so I can like correct him better. Yeah, because he's like just choking himself out. He's just too excited. Supposedly he went through some kind of like training program, but I don't know. He's like good, but also you can tell he has some problems like listening. Yeah, we got a little bit of work to do, but ultimately he's a good boy. He's a good friend. I don't know, let's do maybe like a 10-minute ab workout or something just to kind of supplement the walk we just did. Okay, we're gonna do our homegirl, Chloe Ting, 10-minute defined abs workout. running a little bit behind. I am dropping my friend off at the airport. I think I'll just really quickly have the only thing that I have in my house right now, which is Honey Bunches of Oats and a mini banana. Hold on, let me just go get my milk, what's in the garage. Do, 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 do. Oh, Jesus. This is what I get for trying to do it one-handed. Oh my God, these mini bananas are very not ripe. I always get roasted about how green my bananas are, but I like green bananas. Okay, while I try to hork down my breakfast, let Future Bee tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore new skills, explore existing interests, or just get lost in creativity. As you guys know, with the 67 Try Your Best challenge that we're currently doing, one of the guidelines is to do something new every single week. Currently, I'm taking the course Productivity for Creatives, Build a System that Brings Out Your Best, taught by Thomas Frank. I like that the course comes in small bite-sized modules, so it keeps my attention pretty easily. And I'm learning a lot of things about what a professional mindset actually is and how to delegate, which is something that I'm not very good at, admittedly, but that's why I'm taking a course about it. Whether you're looking to fend off boredom, focus on self-care through creativity, or join a similarly creative community, Skillshare is a place to keep you learning. The first 1,000 people to use the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership, and then after that, it's only about $10 a month. So a big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Good morning, and if you're thinking that I've already said that in this vlog, well, it is the next day, and again, we're having the cereal with the mini banana in it because that's all I have in this house. I have eaten cereal with the banana in it for dinner last night as well, so just constant cereal. When I was driving home from the airport, I just started feeling like really exhausted. I was 30 minutes away from home and I was literally like, should I pull over and take a nap right now? It was that bad. And then when I got home, I just went to bed. I didn't do anything else. And I slept completely throughout the night as well. Well, I woke up like occasionally. Chetty for the past 2 nights has been waking me up around the same time. The first night he woke me up at 3:30 in the morning, and then tonight he woke me up at 4 in the morning. He's doing like really like scary shit, honestly. He'll just be staring off into like nothing, like a blank corner in the wall. And I'm like, oh my God, a poltergeist, but I'm too exhausted to care. So I guess that's good. Yeah, but he's really creeping me out. I got the COVID shot about a week ago, maybe. And I've been feeling like really tired ever since then, but yesterday was the absolute worst of it. So I don't know if it's just like my immune system like fighting off that vaccine or what. So I had this major plan for this vlog that I was gonna get my entire kitchen set up, get everything gearing to go for weight loss. Like this was gonna be this new chapter in my life. And it still is. I mean, it's just gonna be delayed a little bit because I don't feel great. This morning, after I let Doug out, he's just doing something back there. After I let him out though, I just like walked up these stairs, like literally, it's like 7 steps. And then I just laid there at the landing of the stairs for like 20 minutes. I was so exhausted. So I don't know what's wrong with me. I might actually have to DoorDash something for dinner. And that really sucks because I was trying to make a rule for myself to not use DoorDash anymore. Because that has been like a major culprit in like my binging because it's just so convenient. Literally on a whim, I could sit there and punch in this massive order for a restaurant and then it just be delivered to my house. And okay, so here's the latest development on what had just happened. My mom had called and told me that my grandpa tested positive for COVID, and last week my grandparents came over to see my house, so that means that I was exposed. Now I'm having like symptoms, you know, like the fatigue. Right now I have a really bad headache, and I have like a dry cough that happens every once in a while. It's not like persistent or anything. So I didn't think that this is what this vlog would turn into. So yeah, I just registered really quickly, and I found like there was a COVID testing place like 9 miles away from where I live. So I figured like I should go and get tested and figure it out, because like how I feel is not normal. That was the first time I got tested. I didn't have to for work or anything, and I hadn't been exposed or had symptoms until today. Well, yesterday technically. But yeah, so that's what's going on with that. I should get results back in like 24 to 36 hours. I have to text my boss now. It's gonna be a thing. God, what a fiasco. Yeah, so that's what's going on with me. So I'm kind of at a standstill as far as progress on anything, which is the most annoying part. Like, I just want to get my house together and start getting into some kind of routine, and it seems like there's always something. And I can't express how frustrating that is. And I look like death. Okay, so I'm gonna go be sad in my house and order Panera Bread, because they have some good soup. I can still taste things. My tongue is straight up disgusting, but it always looks like that because I have geographic tongue. The amount that I've been able to sleep is actually pretty impressive. I slept probably like 7 hours just now. I missed the window of delivery, so again, we're having cereal. But this is the first time I actually feel like rested, so that's good. I'm sitting on the floor because it feels like really cold and good. I woke up and I was super sweaty. I had like a million blankets on me. I don't think I had a fever, I don't know. But anyway, thank you for watching. I will pop on the screen right now whatever my COVID results say, because I'm pretty sure like before I post this video, I'll probably get my results. As you can see by this crudely drawn smiley face, I do not have COVID. So I was just little sick, not big sick. Still very weird, and I've never experienced fatigue like that before. Also, my grandpa's doing really well. He feels normal and has no symptoms. He's actually convinced it was a false positive and is getting retested at a different place. So that's good. This really sucks that this happened my first week of the 67-day challenge, and obviously, if you couldn't guess, I did not meet my 5-hour exercise goal because I could barely walk up the steps. But it goes to show that sometimes you just do the best you can by resting and quarantining and eating cereal for 2 days because you can't responsibly venture out to a grocery store and you end up sleeping through delivery windows. But I'm feeling a whole lot better now, and I'm excited to get things accomplished around here. But I think I'll just end the video here, because I don't know how many times you guys want to watch me eat Honey Bunches of Oats. Probably once was enough. Bye.